Want to know how to access favorites in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, we have also created a video on how to add your project to favorites, and if you want to view your favorite file, in this video is simply for you. So what you can do is sometimes on the left side right here, right beside files, you should be seeing favorites by default. So you can just simply select it and your favorite projects or your folders should be given up. So what if it wasn't there? So if there is no favorites, there is another option as well. So for that, just simply towards Windows right here, and once you select window here, you should be seeing favorites. So that should be right beside or below files. Just simply select it, and once that is done, your favorites should appear just like this, and you can see your favorite projects right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily check your favorites tab and favorites project. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and remain with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.